All right, taking a view here from Johnson City, our Ashley Home Store camera network, picking up a lot of that heavy rain there in the distance as you overlook Roan Street. The mall is right down here. Some of the shops along Roan Street, and of course the interstate that runs from north to south. It's 79 degrees right now in the Tri-Cities. I want to get to the radar here and show you the storm that we had over Hawkins and Hancock County. That's pretty much collapsed. But the one I'm keeping my eye on now is this cluster of storms here across parts of Washington County, Tennessee, especially just north of Johnson City towards Boones Creek and Gray. That's the area we're kind of honing in on because a big thunderstorm core is going up right over those areas. And what goes up has to come down. And a lot of times when it comes down, it brings strong gusty winds. So notice right through here from Boones Creek down 381, also into the I-26 corridor and all the way towards Johnson City, a pretty hefty little thunderstorm trying to go up. So we'll have to watch and see if we get a severe thunderstorm warning on this one, but certainly the storm to watch across the area right now. Mountain City also seeing some heavy downpours and a little bit of lightning with this storm that's moving through Johnson County. We'll continue to see some on and off rain through the evening time frame and into the early overnight before things start to taper off around midnight, and then we're a little calmer as we go into your Sunday morning. Now, Sunday afternoon, a little more of the same. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing, maybe as early as 10 to 11 o'clock tomorrow, but a better coverage as we go into the afternoon from around 3 o'clock towards 8 to 9 o'clock in the evening. Some of them, once again, could have some gusty winds and heavy rainfall with them. Pretty typical summertime storms across the area. Temperatures tonight dropping down into the mid-60s to upper 60s. We'll look for around 64 to 68 degrees region-wide. Partly cloudy skies. Decently mild or average temperature for the overnight, typically around 64 to 65. Our average afternoon high around 85 degrees, so we're heading up to around 90 tomorrow in the Tri-Cities, about 5 degrees above normal. Partly cloudy skies through much of your Sunday, especially Sunday morning. Then we see those showers and storms develop in the afternoon. Let's talk about the rainfall perspective. So far, yesterday, we picked up 0.67 inches. For the month, we're now above average at 1.37. And for the year, still up 14.26. But you notice we're still in that drought monitor across parts of the area, that level 1 drought. The reason for that is because our rain has just kind of come in little spits and bits here over the last, let's say, week or so. Now, as we go into this upcoming work week, we're going to see more opportunities for rain, and that will allow for us to perhaps get out of that level 1 drought and back to the normal category. Notice here on Future Track from Thursday into Friday and Saturday, a big batch of rain across parts of Texas or parts of Tennessee, also Kentucky and our area at times as an area low pressure moves around the area. We'll have to monitor that depending on the exact positioning of that area low pressure and the associated front with it. Could see some heavy rainfall. Otherwise, temperatures in the mid-80s to near 90 degrees. Here's Texas. Look at this. Category 1 Hurricane Hannah making landfall within the past 15 minutes here just near Padre Island in southern Texas. That storm, the first storm to make landfall for the 2020 hurricane season, and may not be the last one. Here's a live view from our sister station KABB as they kind of wipe the lens off there. This is where Brad Souder was earlier. You can see his fingers right there as he's wiping off the camera lens and showing you some of the flooding that is storm surge flooding, and also some of the big impacts from this storm will also be the rainfall flooding. Notice across parts of South Texas, 10, 15 inches of rain will be possible through the next 24 to 48 hours.